it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have to show you this deal that I got. This is a paper holder, and it's filled with so many great things. And so I was able to get this. This was on like a yard sale type of thing, but my friend was having it at her house, but she lives in Minnesota, and I thought I saw something I liked, so I called her up and I'm like, oh, I would like to see if I have that, because she was coming out to visit me. And not to visit me, she was coming out for an event and happened to visit me. But I really liked the baseball here, and there were a couple, oh, I like these numbers, and I just thought there were so many great things. And I mean, like, some of these pieces were just cents, like 10 cents. So she picked out a bunch of good ones. I'm like, find me something that I would like, but I definitely wanted those two, and she did. She found some great ones. I didn't even see that, and I love it. Of course, they're not Stampin' Up, so they're not all double-sided, but some of them are. And so that is kind of cool. Look at that. Let's see, maybe a lot of them are double-sided. All right, so that's to start. Again, I got this whole thing for like $11, and this plastic was included. So this is, it says card making and paper craft. I'm going to save that till the end because I want to get through some of this other stuff. But this is a fancy flower rosette maker, and this is what I saw. I was like, oh, I wanted to do a rosette, and for it just to be a nice and easy. So I got that. I mean, that's still in the plastic and everything. And then this, if you know me, you know I love maps. You know I love the United States. I've been playing with United States puzzles since I was just a wee little one. This one, this whole kit will make 15 rosettes. It comes with everything you need to make 15 rosettes, plus the tools to make them with your own paper. So that was another one that I saw. This I didn't know what it was, but it looked interesting. It's called Texture Impressions. Obviously never been used. I'm like, what is it? And I'm feeling it, and I know it's not going to run through like an embossing machine. But what it is you put like moldable clay in there. So it says a modeling mold. So I don't know, maybe you could use chocolates or modeling clay. I don't know. But we've got that. I'm trying to get some of this stuff I know has other things that go with it. This one is Yuletide. Some of them are gone, but I really think it was like a quarter. So I had questions. I saw them, but I didn't know if they were like chipboard or if they were stickers. So we're gonna find out. And they are chipboard. So they are chipboard, so you'd have to, I'll have to put glue on them myself, but look how cute these are for being nice, thick chipboard. This one is some skiers, a little ephemera there, some clear stickers, some fruit, and lots of fun summery stuff. These two were twined together, and I think it was like a quarter. Ideal for scrapbooking, self-adhesive. I can use those. Some of this stuff I have to put to the side so I could show you all at once because it's adorable. Now these are stickers, and those go really well with the chipboard. I wonder if they're the same. I think they are. Yep, Yuletide. So you get 20 stickers. What else do we have here? We've got some decorative embellishments. Oh my goodness. And you guys know I've been making tags. So I'll definitely be using those. And those can go in a journal as well. Here's some more Yuletide. These are 9 layered stickers. So they're nice and thick. Very cute. Here's more Yuletide. These are 24 double-sided journaling cards. So those are cute. Here's the different ones. If you can see those. Oh, and here's one of them. This is one of the journaling cards. It's already got glitter on it. And then this side says, let it snow. Look it, I've got glitter. Yep. I've said it before. It's never going to go away. Glitter is the herpes of the arts and crafts world. This is embellishment cord. So if you're making your own like travel journals or junk journals or signatures, you would put them in with some cord, or maybe even bookmarks. You could use that. And then this is some, looks like a holly garland, holly berry decorative tape. So washi there. This one, you guys, normally I make these, and here they are. They're already done for me. Noel, Mary, Joy, and Peace. They are little hangers, and I usually make these with people's names on them. So, and these were $4.99. That looks like a Target thing, does it? It looks to me like it was a Target buy from 2023. So they're not even that old. We've got some more Yuletide. There's 63 pieces. There's ephemera. There is some little jingle bells, some twine, and here's everything. So we can make some great scrapbook pages, some journal pages. Okay, so I saved all of this. Oh my gosh, I can't believe my friend had to talk me into it. She's like, what about this? And this is called Alice. And you can see it's like hearts, clubs. It's got some tea pots there, some rose stuff. And I'm like, oh, okay. I mean, that's kind of cute. But look, there's checkerboard, so they're double-sided. So then there was this that kind of went with it. I'm like, oh, okay. And I see that there is chess pieces. And I thought I saw, it doesn't have the pieces, but here's a keyhole and some hearts and all kinds of fun stuff for scrapbooking. And I'm like, wait a minute, those would go perfect with this, right? And look what it's called, Alice. And look at there. Then, here's some ephemera. What is it called? Alice. It's got some great, look at that rabbit. It's got some little cards in there. Oh, it's got a little Tweedledee. I'm seeing if I could get to it. You can't see it, but you can see him sticking out right there. Little Tweedledee, Tweedledum kind of character sticking out right there. So now we're knowing, right, that this is Alice in Wonderland. And then look at these rub-ons. Can you believe I got all of this for $11? What a great deal. What a great deal. So I cannot wait to use all this stuff. I'm already thinking, like, what else can I do? Scrapbooking, yes. Journaling, yes. Junk journal, yes. Definitely going to do my planner. And there's enough to not have to do just one, right? Like normally I have to choose, like, oh, this is really pretty. I'll do a memordex card. And no, I don't have to choose because there's so much and it all puts together. And I'm putting that away so we can open this one here, because this one says card making and paper crafts. And so it looks like maybe this was like a subscription or something, but let's open these up and see what we've got here. Oh, maybe not. Maybe somebody just put this in here, or maybe it is supposed to be. Oh yeah, your free gifts of inspiration. So it comes with inspiration of what you can do with what's in here. So let's go ahead. And there is a little yellow piece of paper there. We've got some more papers. Now these papers are rather thin, but they're glossy. So it looks like you get a couple of each page. And then we'll flip these guys over. Some of them are already falling out. I might have to just take them and put them away like ephemera and not have them just in there. But we've got Have a Magical Day. And I have seen people make cards out of this. Now I see where they get this stuff. Okay, so it's all looking like it's the same. So, oh, there's only two. This is thick. So look at how cute that is. What else do we have here? This little girl with the rose. We've got some happy birthday. So if you want to be a crafter but not stamp, this would be good for you. Of course, if you want to stamp, you could always come see me and I'd be happy to teach you how to stamp. Have a magical day. More little fairies here. Again, this is super thick. I almost thought they were like maybe 6 different pieces. It's surprising that it's only the 2. Excuse me. And then we've got this. I'll definitely be using it very soon. Probably, well, I almost forgot this one. Spread Your Wings. Cute. Probably in like a junk journal. We have this one already. But look at these ones. This one's like if you're doing a purple theme, right? So we've got some more of this. I will definitely be doing some journal layouts with this. You're getting 2 of those. And I'm telling you, like, you're going to get them. It was on a sale. So you're not going to, but I have to show you what great stuff I got. You never know unless you check and see what is happening at these various garage sales and craft sales and stuff like that. So, very cute. Look at this one. I mean, you can do a whole entire theme around just this. We've got a couple more, and then this one. Again, whenever I see long pieces like this, I think this would go so well in my planner down at the bottom. So look at all of this. This alone, I feel, is worth, well, probably not the whole $11, but worth at least half of that. So I don't know. I don't purchase ephemera like this. I usually buy my ephemera from Stampin' Up, but we will see. All right, beauties. Now I have to figure out how to store this. Let me know in the comments below how you store this. And if you have stuck around this long, thank you so much for being a true beauty. And I think that's it. All right, beauties. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.